Alrighty guys, welcome back to part 3 of the Honda XL250 degree restoration. Right now, sandblaster has arrived, so I'm just going to get straight into it and we're going to pull the bars off and then we're going to sandblast, prime and then paint them. So hopefully that should turn out good, but we'll find out shortly. Alrighty guys, this is a sandblaster I've gotten off eBay. It was $37 I think. So anyway, it's just a gravity fed one. You just fill the tank up with sand or garnet or whatever you're using to sandblast. I've actually picked up a 10 kilogram tub of garnet. So anyway, I'll fill this up and then we'll give the bars a blast and we'll see how it goes. Well, my $40 sandblaster has decided to stop working. Didn't even get the whole bars done, but that's alright. I'll just finish off doing the bars now with a bit of sandpaper. Sort of did a fair amount of it, but anyway, a bit disappointing, but I will try and get another one. Might get a different one, or maybe this one was just faulty, but yeah, I'll get that sorted out in the future. Alrighty guys, it's the next day. The bars are done and they're looking pretty good. So anyway, now it's time, we're going to put it on. Freshly painted bars are now on and the bike is looking a lot better already, so that's good. Anyway, the next step with the bike now is, well, probably gonna have to strip everything off of the frame. Maybe, I'm not sure what I'm gonna start on next, but the frame needs to get painted, the carby needs to get cleaned, and the side of the engine needs to have the paint stripped off and either polished or repainted with some engine paint. So yeah, got to figure out what I'm going to start on next, but yeah, the bike's come a long way already. So since last time, got some new mirrors on here now. They arrived in the mail. Anyway, they look, well, they're the original replacement, so they look alright. And anyway, now going to get on and clean up the spokes and the wheels, and then I've got some black etch primer to put on the spokes so they look all good again, and I'll probably give the brake caliper a clean and a paint over with some brake paint so they look pretty good, and then yeah, give that a go, do that on the rear and then see how that goes. got the spokes all painted up and polished a bit of the rim. You know, the wheels looking a lot better. So that's the front one done. I'll have to do the same thing with the back. And I've had a go at polishing up the front, well, one of the front forks. You know, it looks a lot better. So I'm going to be pulling that one out and cleaning that up pretty quickly. I'll do that soon. But first, I'm going to paint up this brake caliper so it looks all good. So we'll get on that now. Alright, brakes painted and put back on, and the other fork tube is now polished. So we're going to chuck the wheel back on and see how she looks. Alrighty, so we got the wheel back on and the bike is looking even better again. So those fork tubes all shined up, look pretty good, and that painted brake caliper. I'm really liking the red, and the wheel and those black spokes just look really good. So I just have to do that to the back wheel now, and then it'll be onto the frame, I guess. Alright guys, we've got the back wheel on and the caliper's painted red, and it's looking really good. But yeah, that'll be all for today's video. In the next video, we're hopefully going to be stripping the bike down bare, just to a bare frame, so I can get it ready for paint. But yeah, thanks for watching today, and don't forget to like and subscribe.